If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Lall's Kitchen. And today we're going to be making a spicy and sour pork recipe called the pork Vindaloo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, for the whole spices we need half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half inch long cinnamon stick, around 7 to 8 cloves, a teaspoon of poppy seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 4 to 5 dried red chilies, 1 whole garlic, 1 inch long ginger. Then take some turmeric and soak that in some water for roughly about half an hour. Then 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a sprig of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, then a small piece of jaggery, which is roughly about 2 tablespoons in powdered form. Then take separately half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then some salt to taste. And finally, the star of the show, pork meat. Just cut them into small pieces like 1 inch long cubes and put that in a bowl. Then in a small blender, add the garlic, ginger, the turmeric pulp and the vinegar and blend to make a smooth paste. Now to roast the whole spices, take a pan without adding any oil, add all the whole spices and over high flame roast them for about 4-5 minutes. Then transfer them into a small blender jar and blend to make a powder. Then take both the blender jars and add that to the pork meat which is in the bowl. Also add some salt. Then with the help of a spoon or fork, coat them really well and let it marinate for at least an hour. Then take a pan and to that add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then first add the separately taken mustard seeds and cumin seeds and wait for about couple of minutes when they start to pop. Then add all the curry leaves along with the turmeric powder, followed by 2 large onions which are sliced, and I forgot to mention this while mentioning the ingredients. So now saute these for roughly about 4-5 minutes. Then after that add the jaggery, and you don't have to use the powdered form. You can simply just use the small pieces. It will melt anyway. Then add about 2 cups of water and over high flame cover it and let it simmer for roughly about half an hour. Then it should be done. And that's it, the pork Vindaloo. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.